What's up, guys? I made a stereo menace. So I got a copyright notice from Ultra Records, Ultra, Ultra, Ultra Records. I stereo menace music by James Dash. That means that video stereo methods might deleted by itself is I got a copyright notice for see here. And my superior video copyrighted content was found in video the allowing their content to be used to video. However, that might be apparent. Details. Content. Stereo menace. Generation dash forever built. Claimant. Ultra music on behalf of Ultra Records. Policy. Monetized by copyright owner. What the fuck? I'm doing. Sore names repeat a video. I wish free is the stereo menace. Use stereo menace.